Hi, welcome back to That Train Couple. I'm Jasmine. Frank is up in the room right now taking a rest, but we are here this weekend with the Mid-Central Region Convention for the NMRA. That's the National Model Railroad Association Mid-Central Region Convention. So it's in Pittsburgh. It's called Rails to Pittsburgh. I am in this beautiful, I'll show you in a second, the pool area. It's the indoor pool area. We're at the Doubletree Hilton in Mars, Pennsylvania, which I understand has an actual UFO downtown. Well, I just got in last night and it was instantly, we saw all of our friends and we were saying hi and we were having a couple drinks and we were laughing and we stayed up till like midnight just hanging out. We were talking shop, we were talking tech, we were talking trains. So the hotel is lovely. The convention's been great. We've met up with a lot of people. We're going to go to a couple more clinics today. And then this evening is the wrap-up banquet. There are also really great contest models. The contest models are cool, and I'm not brave enough yet or knowledgeable enough yet to enter anything into the contest. So that's not happening right now. But we've also seen vendors. They have a sort of flea market set up called a White Elephant Room where the convention attendees can bring things to sell. So that's a really great concept. And nothing much in the way of N scale. The one thing I was really excited to see was the N scale T-Track setup, and that is super impressive. T-Track is the little modules that sit on top of a tabletop. This is an N scale and they are so impressive and so just detailed, and some of them are really fun. So there's a lot of footage of that, and that was really what I wanted to see being here, that in the clinics. So anyway, stay tuned. This is the National Model Railroad Association's Mid-Central Region Convention. We are part of Division 1, but we also have friends in nearby Division 4, and really you can attend any division meetings that you are closer to if you want, if you're in a region. And so if you want more information about the NMRA, there'll be a link in the description so you can learn about that. And yeah, so we're gonna have some more footage, clinics, layouts, just all things model railroading.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. asleep in the back. I take offense then.
I don't know why. I don't know where
Like that. So, my name is Jerry Kruger. I'm with Division 4 out of the Cleveland area. This is one I put together. Actually, I gave it at a jamboree about 10 or 12 years ago. But it's been updated. It's not all the old stuff. But it was about adding details to rolling stock, locomotives, and even in the 10 years, let's say, since I put some of the initial stuff together, the quality of what's being produced has gone out tremendously. Different rates and it popped off. The CA, that hypo cement, it's like a rubber cement. It's a contact, so it's got a little more forgive to it. But you can see that it's a whole set, covers the entire walkway of the locomotive. So what you end up with is a nice looking front end. You've got that diamond plate, safety tread, all over the locomotive. Almost like she turned it into a brass locomotive.
Steel City chapter. We were formed in 2017, and we're here to preserve Western Pennsylvania Railroad heritage. Some of the collection that we bring for shows to educate the people. We have Union Railroad timetables, maps, books. We have a signal maintainer that donated his collection before he passed away. And he worked for the Pennsylvania Railroad through Conrail. Some of the books we have are the Western Pennsylvania Division facilities, jointly owned lines west, east and west. So it shows all the property lines, what it's valued at, increases or decreases for profitability.
Wow. But this is 1909, 1904.
Yeah.
That's that time money.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, that's pretty cool. This is original, right?
This is all 100% original.
Oh my goodness. That's super cool.
Then our newest acquisition is the Monongahela Division, Pennsylvania Railroad from May 1st, 1894.
1894.
And this is the complete track plans. Now the book's in rough shape. We have to get it rebound. But it is the complete track plans from OC Bridge to Uniontown.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
And it shows the property owners and where everything is. Just a brief. The Hayes Estate. This is towards Homestead, Baldwin area.
It's very cool. I think it looks neat. That would be really neat framed and stuck somewhere. Yeah. Very cool.
But it's, other than the covers, it's in pristine shape.
Yeah. That is terrific. Well, thank you so much for showing me. What was your name?
My name is Kevin. I'm the president and founder of the Steel City chapter.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Looks like we're gonna be buying something.
No.
Okay.
Adjust faucets, you can adjust the positions. And you have a little rack on the tippity top for, yep, although I forgot my hardware, so I couldn't put my backdrops on.
Oh, I see. Okay. Can you stuff it in there and let me see how it stuffs in?
Actually, I can.
Oh. So if you, those are singles. So if you had a double,
It'll take 4 singles, 2 doubles, or 2 singles and a double. In theory, I think they had to do a slight redesign so you could put corners in there. Because I have yet to get the corners to fit in.
right?
That's cool.
That is so cool.
I got the cart for the modules, but I've actually been using it more for work. I do IT for Goodwill. So if I have to do a site visit and I'm replacing equipment, with my cart, I can do everything with one trip from
Yeah.
the car into the building.
Now this looks raised up. You have a second one in the cart underneath this?
No, it's, oh here, let me.
I mean, if it's not, if it's heavy, I don't want you to try to lift it up or whatever, but.
Oh no, I got it in there, I just gotta.
Oh. Oh, I thought it was just the 2 pockets. It's a 4-pocket box.
Well, they did a single with a drawer. They did the quad. I'm not sure what else they did because this was one of my last big pre-pandemic buys. Well, I actually
I like it a lot.
also pre-Ukraine buys because they haven't been able to get the good quality birch plywood.
Well, actually, those ones too. So I have a divider piece, or like the same type of thing that goes on here, so that I can stack another one on top.
Okay.
And then those guys actually sit a different way. But
It all works.
All the modules that won the contest will be on the Facebook page.
Oh, neat. Okay.
Division 2,
Yeah.
T-Track.
I'm on there. I just joined that a couple days ago.
Because it doesn't seem like any container is 14 by 14.
Yeah, right. We were just looking at like how people are handling packing because everybody doesn't think about packing and hauling part.
Right.
It's always
Yeah.
like, I can do a module.
So you have them on their back sides, and then
Well, because they're corners, yeah, I guess back is the best way to put it.
yeah,
I don't know how else to explain
There's
it.
2 backs.
right.
2 fronts.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, the problem is it's a corner. So, and the biggest thing, I guess, is I realized that this masonite, I guess it is,
Yeah.
would be strong enough. And once I realized, oh wait, that's right, this will be holding up. This will be strong enough. The other thing I would say is, for anyone who does like the laser kit modules, I don't know if theirs would be structurally strong enough. You know what I mean?
Well,
Yeah, it
yeah.
depends.
Right. That's what we have with laser kit modules.
I would imagine if you had the laser kit where you then put in a 1x1 block in each corner, I think you'd be all right.
Yeah, so I actually did that because I did it for a different reason because we had the you go down from the top, right? You screw down.
Yeah.
But they had it's really low was where the hole for the screw is, and so when you fish your thing in it, you can't find it. So I just put a wood block in there.
So you can't.
Right.
So
it happens at the convention stage.
What happens at
What
the
happens at the convention stays at the convention.
No, not with my friends. It was running smoothly, but the motor was under a lot of load. And what was happening at that time while I was exploring at home, or what appeared to be happening, the way these things are assembled is each one of the axles has a brass bushing around it. I'm not sure we got that problem fixed, but I asked him, are you prepared to not see this locomotive for a year? Okay. Because I expect I'll see you in Cleveland. But that's why when I do repairs, there's no stated promised time. I've got 3 locomotives at home. I've had for over 5 years each. They've been giving me fits of tearing my hair out. Half of a cop out. When you get your lad to the point that you're going to put this locomotive into service, we will leisurely give it a nice clean and lube. Any lube we put on it now might freeze up depending on how, if you're going to be operating in the next 6 months, that's one thing. Okay. I don't think you are, or are you? I know your layout's way ahead of mine.
Yeah.
It said they have an invitation on there. Does that mean we have to wait?
Yeah, usually.
Cute little butters.
Yeah.
Pleased to present this plaque to number 729, and she will now have a few words of wisdom to offer.
It has been a journey, and I will say it is about the journey and not the goal line at the end. I've learned so much. I have met so many wonderful people. And my favorite phrase when I'm asked, how can you possibly do this? I say, it's the same way you eat an elephant. One bite at a time.
It was phenomenal. So I'll show you my badge. This is the badge. The Mid-Central Region's Rails to Pittsburgh Convention. Really great clinics. I just got out of a clinic just a second ago. I took some footage of it, and it was really informative. There's a lot of very knowledgeable people here, a lot of MMRs. MMR stands for Master Model Railroader, and that is the certification you get from completing, well, we'll talk about that later. A lot of tasks to become a Master Model Railroader or to get a little MMR after your name. So I am having a lot of fun. It's a beautiful day, it's sunny, and it's green and beautiful, and there's the foothills of, I guess this is the Appalachian foothills. I don't know exactly, but we're in, we're in Pennsylvania, and it's been really fun. In 3, 2, 1.